Hi everyone, welcome to the Active 2.0 support video series. My name is Raul with Active Products, and today we're going to be diving in on how to troubleshoot your Active 2.0. In today's video, we'll look at how you can replace the power switch of the Active 2.0 pressure washer pump. The main symptom of failure of the power switch is when the unit does not power on. When this takes place, the pressure washer needs a new power switch. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, along with the replacement power switch. Step 1. Take the Phillips head screwdriver and remove 9 screws on the pump body of the pressure washer. Keep the screws in a secure place for reinstallation. Step 2. Remove the plastic casing from the pressure washer and set it aside for reinstallation. Step 3. Locate the 2 screws holding down the switch box and loosen to remove the pump and motor construction. Step 4. Use a small flathead screwdriver to open the covering of the main switch box and access the terminals. Step 5. Remove all the terminals from the on-off switch. Step 6. Remove the yellow power switch seat and use a small screwdriver to release the switch from the casing as demonstrated. Step 7. Place the new power switch as demonstrated. Step 8. Reinstall the 4 wire terminals back into their slots as demonstrated. Step 9. Close the power switch casing and ensure the casing and wires are seated correctly. Step 10. Place the power switch back in its place and use the 2 screws to fasten it. Step 11. Place the pump and motor body back in its casing and adjust the microswitch support and power cord support as demonstrated. Step 12. Place the plastic cover over the motor and secure it in its place. Step 13. Use the Phillips head screwdriver and 9 screws to fasten the casing in its place. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.0, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@activeproducts.com. We'd love to help you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.